Check if two strings contain the same set of words in Python. I am trying to compare two sentences and see if they contain the same set of words. E.g., comparing today is a good day and is today a good day should return true. I am using the counter function from collections module right now. It seems to work fine for a few lines, but my text file has more than 1000 and it never finishes executing. Is there any other way, something more efficient that would help me compute the result for the entire file? Edit. I just need a replacement for the counter method, something to replace it. And not any change in the implementation.
You really don't need to use two loops. Correct way to use dicts. Let's say you have a dict. Your code is basically equivalent to but the whole point of dict and set counter is to be able to get the desired value directly. If your dict has 1000 values, the first example will be 500 times slower than the second on average. Here's a simple description I've found on Reddit. A dict is like a magic coat check room. You hand your coat over and get a ticket. Whenever you give that ticket back, you immediately get your coat. You can have a lot of coats, but you still get your coat back immediately. There is a lot of magic going on inside the coat check room, but you don't really care as long as you get your coat back immediately. Refactored code. You just need to find a common signature between today is a good day and is today a good day ? One way would be to extract the words, convert them to lowercase, sort them and join them. What's important is that the output should be immutable, for example tuple, string, frozen set. This way, it can be used inside sets, counters or dicts directly, without needing to iterate over every key. Or even shorter. This code should be much faster than what you've tried until now. Yet another alternative. If you want to keep the original sentences in a list, you can use setDefault.
Try something like comparing set objects is faster than comparing counter. Both set and counter objects are basically sets, however when you use counter object for comparison, it has to compare both the keys and values whereas the set only has to compare keys. Thank you Eric and Barmar for your inputs. Your full code will look like
In your code, you can extract the counter construction outside of the inner loop, instead of recalculating each for every pair. This should improve the algorithm by a factor proportional to the average hash of tokens per string. Further improvements could be had by using the counters as indices to a dictionary, which would let you replace the linear search for matching sentences with a lookup. The frozendict package would probably be useful so that you can use a dictionary as a key to another dictionary.
To take duplicate/multiple words into account, your equality comparison may be Also, note that in your implementation every sentence is counted n times, for sentence in vocab column.
If you want the same audio, play as the transcript subscribe.